Hi everyone. Today we're looking at the best pressure washers you can buy right now. I'm breaking down the ones that truly stand out, whether you want high cleaning power, portability, durability, or an all-round solid performer. There's something here for you. Pressure washers have quietly become one of the most satisfying tools a homeowner can own. There's something almost magical about watching years of dirt, algae, mildew, and grime disappear in seconds, revealing a surface that looks nearly new again. And with modern designs becoming more compact, more powerful, and easier to use than ever before, finding the right model can save you time, effort, and a lot of frustration. All product links are waiting for you in the description box below. Click those links anytime while watching. Let's jump in. Moving up the ladder, my pick for best bang for the buck electric pressure washer is the number 6, Westinghouse EPX 3500. This is the model I'd recommend to the largest number of people because it just nails the balance of power, price, and usability. It delivers 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, which is a meaningful step up from the EPX 3100 volt, and it handles driveways, decks, siding, and vehicles with real authority. It's also packed with quality-of-life features that make it a joy to use. You get 4 quick lock wheels with 360-degree steering and a low center of gravity that almost entirely eliminates the tipping problems most compact washers have. That's actually one of those small details that makes a huge difference during longer cleaning sessions. It's still only 19 pounds and 16.5 inches tall, so it fits anywhere. But you can now actually wheel it across the driveway instead of picking it up. You also get 5 nozzle tips, including a 0-degree jet, turbo, and sop applicator, a 25-foot easy coil hose, a 35-foot power cord, and an onboard 20-ounce soap tank so you don't need a separate foam cannon. And the whole thing comes in at around $169, which is honestly a steal for what you're getting. When you see years of grime peel away from concrete in neat, clean lines, it's easy to understand why pressure washing videos have become so popular online. It is loud when the pump kicks in, louder than I expected from a 19 pounds unit, but that's really the only real knock on it. And for my overall best pick in the electric category, the one that gives you gas-like performance without the noise, the fumes, the maintenance, it has to be the number 5 GREENWORKS Pro Brushless 3000 PSI. This is the crown jewel of residential electric pressure washers right now. It delivers 3,000 max PSI and up to 2.0 GPM, thanks to what GREENWORKS calls jet flow technology. And it's CSA and PWMA certified, which means those numbers have actually been verified by an independent lab. They're not just marketing claims. The heart of this unit is the true brushless motor. It's smart sensing, meaning it automatically adjusts pressure and flow based on the nozzle tip you've got installed, and it's backed by a 10-year motor warranty. That's practically unheard of in this category. Historically, one of the biggest concerns with electric pressure washers was long-term durability, and this warranty goes a long way toward addressing that concern. The wheelbarrow-style frame with 10-inch never-flat wheels gives it real mobility, and the foldable handle lets you store it vertically, taking up about 50% less space in your garage. You get a rugged metal spray gun, a 25-foot kink-resistant Uberflex hose, a 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, and 5 nozzles, including turbo and soap. It runs right around $500 on Amazon, and honestly, for most homeowners, this is the one that gives you the most capability without ever needing to touch a drop of gasoline. It combines the quiet operation and simplicity of electric power with performance that gets surprisingly close to what many gas machines can deliver. For a lot of people, that's the perfect balance. Now, for the heaviest duty jobs, you just can't beat gas. And my pick for the best gas pressure washer overall is the number 4 DEWALT DXPW330S. This one is a serious piece of equipment. It delivers 3,300 psi at 2.4 GPM, which is more than double the cleaning units of most electric units in this video. That means you can blast through tough jobs like stripping paint, cleaning deeply stained concrete, pulling years of mildew off siding, or prepping exterior surfaces for repainting in a fraction of the time. It's powered by a 208cc DEWALT engine with low oil shutdown protection, paired with an OEM Technologies axial cam pump and a thermal relief valve to prevent overheating. The welded powder-coated steel frame is built to last, and the 10-inch pneumatic tires roll smoothly across grass, gravel, and uneven terrain. Just looking at this machine, you can tell it was designed with demanding users in mind. You also get 5 quick connect nozzles, a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose, an ergonomic spray gun, and a 16-inch steel wand. When that powerful stream hits a stained concrete surface, the before and after difference can be dramatic enough to make the surface look freshly installed. It runs about $400 on Amazon, which is really reasonable for what you're getting from a DEWALT branded unit with a 49-state emissions-compliant engine. It is a gas engine, so expect the usual. It's loud, it needs oil and fuel, and you'll want to run the carburetor dry or add stabilizer if you're storing it for winter. But if you have a big property, a long driveway, or you just want to get tough jobs done fast, this is the one. Now, if your main use case is washing vehicles or detailing, and you want to spend as little as possible, I'd point you towards the number 3 LWQ S5. This one runs about $100 on Amazon, and it's a little bit of a sleeper hit. It's the lightest pressure washer I've come across, at just 17 pounds, and it has a thin vertical design that stores in almost any tight space. What makes it shine specifically for car detailing is the foam cannon, which by most accounts produces one of the thickest, soapiest lathers on the market. You basically just coat your entire vehicle in suds, let it sit, and rinse. Easy. Watching a car disappear beneath a blanket of thick white foam feels like something straight out of a professional detailing shop. It comes with 4 quick connect metal nozzles covering 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees, plus a 23-foot hose and a 36-foot power cord, which gives you a ton of reach for the money. It can also pull water from a bucket, not just a hose, which is a nice bonus if you're washing in a spot without a spigot nearby. That's a surprisingly useful feature for campers, boat owners, and anyone who occasionally works away from home. The actual peak pressure is lower than some competitors once you measure it in the real world, so it's really better for medium and light tasks rather than serious caked-on grime. But for the price, for vehicles, boats, ATVs, furniture, and light driveway rinsing, it punches way above its weight. Now, if you want maximum convenience and you're willing to pay for it, my favorite premium cordless pick at number 2 is the Ego Power Plus HPW 3200. This is currently the most powerful cordless pressure washer on the market, and it runs off 2 56-volt batteries from Ego's Power Plus platform. You get up to 3,200 psi at 1.2 GPM with a peak flow of 2.0 GPM and up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge with two 6.0 Ah batteries. And here's why that matters. Because there's no cord and no fixed water hookup required, you can actually take this pressure washer anywhere. It has a siphon hose that can draw water from a bucket, a 5-gallon jug, a pond, whatever. If you're cleaning a boat on a dock, a truck at a job site, or an ATV at a campsite, this is the one. The freedom it offers is genuinely impressive because you're no longer planning your cleaning around extension cords and water taps. You get 3 power modes on the wand itself: Eco, High, and Turbo, plus a battery charge display, a telescopic handle, a foam cannon, and 5 included nozzles. The ability to switch instantly between power levels gives it a level of flexibility that's hard to appreciate until you've used it. The bare tool version is around $500, and the kit with two 6.0 Ah batteries and the charger runs closer to $779. It's definitely a premium price. But if you're already invested in the Ego ecosystem with a mower or a blower, the batteries are interchangeable, so it becomes a much easier sell. The honest drawback here is that you really do need 2 beefy batteries to get the rated runtime, and if you own smaller Ego batteries, you'll be recharging more often than you'd like. My number 1 pick in the super compact and budget all-rounder category is the Westinghouse EPX3100V. Look, if you live in an apartment, a townhouse, or you just don't have room for a bulky washer on wheels, this is kind of a no-brainer. It weighs only 18 pounds, has a built-in carry handle, and you can literally tuck it on a garage shelf when you're done. In fact, compared to many traditional pressure washers that dominate an entire storage corner, this thing feels refreshingly compact and practical. In terms of performance, it delivers 2100 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, which is plenty for cars, patio furniture, fencing, and light driveway work. You also get a detachable foam cannon, 3 quick connect nozzle tips, a pro-style steel wand, and a 20-foot easy coil hose. The total stop system automatically shuts off the pump when you let go of the trigger, which helps extend the life of the unit. And here's another one that's really important. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty, which is honestly one of the best you'll find in this price range of around $120. The hose is a little on the short side at 20 feet, so if you're cleaning a long driveway, you'll probably want to pair it with a garden hose extension. But for the size, the price, and the convenience, it's tough to beat this thing for everyday household cleaning. Picture pulling it out on a sunny weekend morning and effortlessly washing months of dust and pollen off your patio furniture before guests arrive. That's exactly the kind of job this machine excels at. So those are the best pressure washers you can buy right now. Whether you're trying to restore a weathered deck, bring an old driveway back to life, keep your vehicle spotless, or simply make outdoor cleaning faster and easier, there's a machine here that fits the job. I'll link everything below so you can check current prices and pick the one that fits your cleaning needs and budget. If you have any questions, or if there's a pressure washer you think should have made the list, drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.